What's going on, everybody? My name is Kells and I smell really good. And I'm going to be doing a quick little review discussion on a fragrance that I got in that I always really wanted to try. And I'm going to let you know my opinion on it. So yeah, guys, we're going to talk about Pink Boa from Stefan Humbert Lucas. Have it right here. Gorgeous bottle. Just taking a minute to admire just how beautiful that bottle is. I mean, that's a great bottle. But yeah, before we get into what this smells like, please check out my website, kellssmells.com, where you can sample every fragrance in my collection, including this one. Without further ado, let's talk about it. This is going to be a short video, guys. I just wanted to give you my verdict on this and what I think about it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to get this out of the way. Months and months ago, I mean, I don't know how long it's been now, probably 6, 7, probably longer than that, probably like 8 months ago, I had ordered a fragrance from Lattafa called Le Charmant Eclatant, the Flamingo bottle, and I love it. I love that fragrance. I still own it. It smells absolutely fantastic, and I'm sorry, I think I misled some of you, because from what I had seen, the verdict was that that was a dupe of Pink Boa. And just wanted to get out of the way, that is not a dupe of this at all to my nose. I'm not sure how that came out. I'm not sure where people were getting that from. I just don't get that personally. That's like a rosy, vanilla, fruity fragrance, that one is. This one is not to me. Go ahead and talk about what this kind of smells like. So to me, as soon as I put this on, I was like, this just smells like sweet tarty, like sweet tarts, like a candy. It's got that pink powdery candy smell to me. I mean, it literally smells just like a sweet tart. It's uncanny. Love that cap click, by the way, though. Oh man, yeah. But yeah, guys, I mean, this thing really, it genuinely smells like a sweet tart. If you want to smell like sweet tarts, be my guest. When it comes down to performance, 6 hours maybe with this one. It's nothing crazy. It's not super loud. You know, like I said, it's just a decent performer. And just being honest with you guys, this thing doesn't really, I don't really vibe with this. I really don't. I personally don't want to smell like candies. I don't want to smell like sweet tarts. I love my sweet fruity fragrances. This just isn't it to me. This one is very feminine to me. It really is. It might smell fantastic on a woman. I can definitely see it. Might work good for layering. I don't really know, but when it comes down to just straight up like wearing this fragrance as a guy, as for me, I can't see any scenario where I would wear this. This is one of the, because I can wear fragrances that come across feminine to other people, and for me, I'm totally okay with it. But once again, with this one, it's just, I find it extremely difficult to just find a situation that I would wear this, because I just don't think there are any. I love the bottle. You know, I really wanted to love this, and like I said, I was hoping that it was just a better version of that Lattafa clone. It is not. I'm not sure what that's cloning, but it definitely isn't cloning this. But yeah, that's my verdict, guys. This literally just smells like candy, sweet tarts. I mean, it just does, man. I can't really get much else from it. Does it smell bad? No, it does not smell bad. Would I wear it? I would not. So that is my verdict on Pink Boa from Stefan Humbert Lucas. This is available for sample currently on my website, but it might not be for long, because I am trying to trade or sell this. I'll just be honest with you. There's a couple fragrances I have in mind that I would like to get from it. But so if you're interested in this fragrance and you want to trade, hit me up on Instagram. It's Kells Smells TV, and we can definitely probably work something out. It does come with the box, by the way. That's going to do it for tonight's video, guys. I hope you guys found this information useful. Before I get out of here, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you like fragrance content and you're not already subscribed. If you want to keep smelling really good, make sure you keep tuning in.
Designer on my neck and my hands now. Put Versace on my neck, ears bust down.